This is the final video to fix Task Manager hiding processes in Windows 11. And if you've ever opened Task Manager only to see some apps or processes missing, you're not alone. This usually happens because Windows hides certain system processes by default or because of filters that are turned on without you realizing it. And most solutions you find online are full of long steps, confusing menus, or complicated commands that waste your time. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that reveals every hidden process instantly so you can see what's really running on your PC. And if you want, comment below and I'll make a full step-by-step guide showing exactly how to do it safely and quickly